Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the Indie Zone podcast. My name is Kathy. There are 4 new interrelated documents that appear on the public docket in Idaho versus Kohberger, 2 of which were filed by the State of Idaho on the 13th of May, 2 of which are court orders entered by Judge Stephen J. Hippler 1 day later, the 14th of May. All have to do with the exhibits or proposed exhibits that the state introduced or attempted to at the secret grand jury proceedings that were held in May of 2023 in Latah County, which concluded with the grand jury returning an indictment charging Mr. Kohberger with the 5 very serious felonies. He is scheduled to stand trial on this summer of 2025. Mr. Kohberger is at all times considered not guilty under the eyes of the law until or unless he either pleads guilty or is adjudicated guilty by the future jury. The first item that was submitted on the 13th of May is motion to seal Exhibit S's and Sam 1 to state's motion to reclaim exhibits. Comes now the State of Idaho, by and through the Latah County prosecuting attorney, and hereby moves the court pursuant to Idaho Court Administrative Rule 32G1 for an order sealing Exhibit S's and Sam 1 attached to the state's motion to reclaim exhibits. This motion is made and based upon the fact that these items are grand jury records that are protected from disclosure by ICR 6.3. If we go to page 2 of this state court filing, it says, the state respectfully requests that the court seal from public disclosure the exhibit attached to the state's motion to reclaim exhibits under the provisions of Idaho Court Administrative Rule 32G1. Signed, William W. Thompson, Jr., prosecuting attorney. The second item filed by the State of Idaho on the 13th of May 2025 is the motion to reclaim exhibits. And it states here, comes now, the State of Idaho by and through the Latah County prosecuting attorney and moves the court pursuant to ICR 41.1 for an order permitting the state to reclaim the exhibits in the attached states, Exhibit S's and Sam 1, offered or admitted at the grand jury proceedings herein. The state is prepared to substitute a copy, photograph, drawing, facsimile, or other reproduction of the exhibits if requested by the court. Respectfully submitted, and this is submitted also by Mr. Thompson. Again, it is filed on the 13th of May. The 14th of May, the 2 court orders granted each of these requests. First, order permitting state to reclaim exhibits, the above matter having come before the court pursuant to state's motion to reclaim exhibits pursuant to ICR 41.1 and good cause appearing. It is hereby ordered that the exhibits listed in state's Exhibit S1 may be reclaimed by the state. It is further ordered that the state substitute a legible copy, photograph, drawing, facsimile, or other reproduction of each exhibit. This is so ordered. May 14th, 2025. Signed, Judge Stephen J. Hippler. There is a second accompanying order where Judge Hippler also on the 14th of May found that these exhibit list, Exhibit S's and Sam 1, was to be filed under seal and therefore remain out of the public domain. This is Kathy. Thank you for joining us here today.